Hey, this is Brett, and I'm working on an old article. I wrote this years ago in 2011, and I've gone through using the Divi theme, which I moved my site over, migrated it over to a few months back, and I specifically wanted to change the layout of some of my evergreen content, and this is one of those articles. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. Stop that, open it up in a new tab. Okay, so here is the page loaded, and I've been running a split test on some of the information over here that you see on the right, just to see what might work better. And you can see some of the results of that split test here. It's showing the two different options. The button is the static part, and I have a couple different things going with the image. I'll show you what those are. You can see the percentages there. Open one of those up. One of them basically just shows a banner, and the other shows a different banner, a banner that's kind of interactive and has some drop-down features associated with it. And we can see that the drop-down banner converts almost twice as much as the banner that's not interactive and has some pricing in it. So this is just a small little thing. This is that interactive banner. It looks interactive, but it takes somebody right over into the thing. So I want to, this is evergreen content. I'm trying to improve it a little bit. That's a small improvement, but it's good to know. I'll take the improvements anywhere I can. There's another way that I can view some of the split testing statistics with Divi as well. So here I can see some of the actual activity of the two items. And I can end the split test if I want and choose the one that's getting some results. So I can see one of these had 27 impressions, had a click-through rate of 0%, nothing, and the other had 26 impressions, about the equal amount. This is a very small sample. I don't get a ton of traffic on this. It's evergreen, and we're talking long into the tail here, but it had 3 clicks. And so at the end of the day, I want to do the thing that gets results or is most helpful. So I can also get some other information here. There have been some, this is from older data, I believe. We can see the bounces, what caused people to bounce away. And in this regards, the one of these had a higher bounce rate too. So the one that showed the price right away, instead of the interactive item, had a slightly higher bounce rate. And that's good to know as well. Take a look at our goal engagement. Our goal engagement is to get them to click our button. And we can look at last month even. Get so we've got a lot of different things going on here, but I'm going to go with I'm going to pick the winner. So I'm just going to end the split test, pick the winner. Upon ending your split test, you will be asked to select which subject variation you would like to keep, and the remaining ones will be removed. And this cannot be undone. So it's going to delete one of these modules and keep the other module on the site. So we're going to keep that one, and that is now our final thing. Now, at this point, quick tip, you need to save it. It's not saved. I need to update this post to lock this in. There we go. Now, what I can do is I can go through and optimize some other sections of the same page and see if I can get some better results with something else. One of the things I've been thinking is that maybe the next thing I might test is, do I want this banner here at all? Maybe I want something else there. And I've also noticed that on my video over here, the title is slightly cut off at the edges. Something about the spacing or size of this video is cutting off my title. And in general, when I made this image overlay, I was in a hurry, and it kind of shows. It's kind of an extra busy little thing that doesn't, I don't think, does a great job of conveying the information that's in the video. So one of my next things to do is I want to see what the split test will look like if I come up with a better video thumbnail. Or maybe redo this video altogether, build it up from scratch, and go from there and see if I can get some better results on this page and help some more people find this information, because this has been very helpful for people over the years. This is one of those things where I did some investigating for a client, helped them figure out how to do some things, and it just so happens that lots of other people around the country needed to know the same thing, and they come to find this through this blog article. So there you have it. Just wanted to show off Divi's split testing in the real world. I'd consider myself a novice user of this particular service from Divi. I'm relatively new at this, and so I'm learning this particular technology and how it works. There's other split testing tools out there. I'm not saying this is the best one, but I do like the fact that this gets me started and it's integrated with my theme.